waking up in the middle of the night to use the bathroom, it's more common than you think. In fact, studies show that over 70% of adults over 60 deal with frequent nighttime urination. And while we often blame age and medications or prostate issues, there's another possible culprit sitting right on your kitchen counter. Fruit? Yes, certain fruits, especially when eaten at the wrong time, may be quietly sabotaging your sleep by overstimulating your bladder or adding too much fluid to your system. So today, we re-putting fruits to the test to find out which ones help and which ones might be hurting your nights. This condition is known as nocturia, frequent nighttime urination, and it's not just an inconvenience. For seniors, it can lead to poor sleep quality, daytime fatigue, increased risk of falls, and even long-term health issues. And while bladder capacity does decrease with age, and hormones like vasopressin change what you eat and when you eat, it can make a big difference. Let's start with the biggest offenders. High water content fruits. These include watermelon, cantaloupe, strawberries, and pineapple. They're hydrating and nutritious, but when eaten in the evening, they can flood your system with extra fluids, forcing your kidneys and bladder to stay active when your body should be resting. Experts suggest avoiding these fruits after 6 p.m. One common mistake seniors make is snacking on a bowl of watermelon or strawberries after dinner, thinking it as a light option. But in reality, that choice may be adding 1 or 2 extra bathroom trips to your night. Next up, acidic fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and even tomatoes might seem harmless, but they can irritate the bladder lining, especially if you're already dealing with sensitivity or an overactive bladder. Research has shown that these fruits may increase urgency and frequency in older adults. And juices are even worse, more concentrated, more acidic, and absorbed faster. So if you're drinking orange juice or snacking on citrus late in the day, you may be unknowingly disrupting your bladder's ability to rest. Now, here's a surprising one: grapes. They're often seen as a safe fruit, but they're higher in sugar than many think, and they have mild diuretic properties. Some seniors report waking up more on nights they snack on grapes, especially red or seedless varieties. So moderation and timing are key here too. On the flip side, not all fruits are your enemy at night. Some can help improve sleep quality and bladder control. Take bananas, for example. They're low in acid, rich in magnesium and potassium, and can help relax your bladder muscles and nervous system. Apples are another gentle choice. Just be sure you eat them fresh, not juiced. And here's the real surprise: dark cherries. These little powerhouses are a natural source of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Studies have shown that tart cherry juice can actually reduce night awakenings and help seniors stay asleep for longer periods. So what's the bottom line? It's not just about which fruits you eat, but also when you eat them. Avoid high-water fruits like watermelon and strawberries at night. Limit citrus and acidic fruits to earlier in the day. Skip concentrated fruit juices after dinner. And instead, choose gentle options like bananas, apples, or a few tart cherries in the early evening to support better sleep. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you noticed certain fruits affecting your sleep or bladder? What's worked for you and what hasn't? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story might help someone else. And if you're looking for simple, natural ways to improve your sleep, especially as you age, don't miss our next video. 5 proven tips to sleep through the night after 60. Tap the link on screen or check the description to keep your sleep and your health is on track. Thanks for watching. And take care.